This is Fun Gamer here, and I am playing White Noise with Creed Doughboy and Bunny Hop online. Bunny Hop.
Yeah, wait, what are the other? Go to the other match.
Yeah, that one looks. No, that one's amazing.
Let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it, Bunny Hop. Get your diapers ready. Alright, where you guys at? Alright, let's try to find
What other scary games are there like this?
Saturn 9 and the Sanctuary or something like that. But they're not online. Alright, where should we go first, Bunny Hop? Alright.
Like this blood thing?
Yeah. Were you on your period? Who was on their fucking period?
Now there's 3 ways. Go to the
Oh god. Good luck. How do you know? Hey, let's go through here. Let's go through here. Okay, never mind.
We have to do all 3 of them. Okay, get back there. He's right back there. Oh, damn.
Just keep on going forward.
Last dig before we die. Cigarettes, that's not my shoe. It's everywhere for recorder, dude. Why do they have to make money crap? Alright, let's go.
When you run, you don't even run. You're just like walking a little bit faster.
Hey, you like this? There's another center. No, I don't like. Why can't? Okay, let's just go through the windows and let's get the fuck out of here. Okay, we found one cave. That's good enough. Okay, yeah, we found that one. We found that one. We could study the one cave and go back and find one more. That's way safer and easier. Not just do it all in one time. And at the middle of the night. Really, there's a back room too. Freaking Alright. Yeah, don't go too far there.
He's down there. I could hear him. Dude, we're like walking straight towards it.
Alright, I'll be right back. Like, seriously, right back.
Oh god, dude, he's coming closer. What should we do? Yeah, hide behind a wall. That's a good idea. Let's hide behind a wall. Actually, no, I don't want to be cornered. God damn it, dude. Dude, he's coming closer. Alright, I'm going pitch black. Fuck this shit. I know. Hold my hand. I'm scared. I'm getting behind this. Oh shit! Oh fuck this. Where you at? Where you at? He's right behind us. We gotta go, dude. Come on. Just keep on moving.
No, come on, buddy. Come on.
Oh shit! God. Dude!
Okay, we're going.
Dude, come on, we gotta go back. We gotta go back, come on.
Wake up! Wake up! Dude, I just saw him. Okay, let's go. Can we please go? Jesus. What happened here? I saw him right there. Okay, he was behind us, in front of us, and separate.
Oh, why is there headless one? That makes two.
Wait, I don't need to get the tape. Do you guys want to get the tape so you can get new characters?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's how you get new characters? Yeah. The last character that you get with tape is, you need to find 50 tapes.
I haven't found any tapes though, so yeah.
Okay, next page here. Hey, you guys. Another center.
Oh god, don't look towards the right. Don't look towards the right.
Sorry.
Let's go down here.
There's 5 centers, dude. There's 5.
Let's just...
Take a left. We haven't been in here.
Don't go in there. That's just a trap. Oh crap, I didn't think it was a hallway. I thought it was just a wall.
Dude, it goes really straight. Okay, everyone straight. Not looking. Left. All I did was look left. Are you? All I did was because I was scared.